आंध्र प्रदेश कांग्रेस की लीडर वाई एस शर्मिला अपने भाई वजीर आला जगन मोहन रेड्डी की तरफ से कांग्रेस का कंट्रोल चंद्रबाबू नायडू के इल्ज़ाम को मुस्तरद कर दिया। शर्मिला ने कहा कि हम वजीर आला के रिमार्क की मजम्मत करते हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि दरहकीकत जगन मोहन रेड्डी को वजीर आजम मोदी कंट्रोल करते हैं और वजीर आजम की दरख्वास्त पर गन्नावरम पोर्ट अडानी के हवाले किया गया है।
Jagan Mohan Reddy, who made a comment yesterday that Congress party is remote controlled by Chandrababu Naidu. Congress party condemns this strongly, and we also allege that it is Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy who is remote controlled, who is being remote controlled by Mr. Modi. At the behest of Modi, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy has worked all these 5 years. In the past 5 years, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy has not denied Modi any request. Mr. Modi requested for the Gangavaram port to be given to Adani, and Jagan Mohan Reddy obliged. Not only one, but many such projects. Also, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy obliged giving the Reliance the Rajya Sabha seat. Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy obliged every bill that was brought to the parliament in the past 5 years. Also, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy obliged Mr. Modi in the Manipur issue. Being a Christian himself, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy saw the atrocities on the Christians in Manipur and still supported the BJP party. So my question is, isn't Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy the one being removed?